Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nina. If you're new here, please subscribe and join the family. And today I am in a different scenery. If you didn't know or didn't watch my last videos, I have moved out. I now live with my best mate. It's gone great. I'm loving it so far. Just to have like my own space. It's literally amazing. I think after this video will be vlog number 2. So I hope you liked the first one. But yeah, I'm kind of settled in now. And this is my new little setup. But yeah, let me know if you like this setup or not. I'm doing another collaboration with ITALO jewellery. And this is the brand. I've worked with these twice before, so I'm working with them again in this video. So thank you to ITALO Jewellery for sponsoring this video. I love working with you guys. I love the pieces and I can't wait to show you these pieces I got this time. They're a bit more personalised and I'm in love with them. I do look a bit tired and pale. Haven't been getting the best of sleep recently. So I got a fair bit this time. I'm gonna start off with their like sister brand, which is Lilacpersonalized. Came in this little cute box. So I picked this out. This is a 1999 necklace. Obviously I was born in 99, hence why I picked that one. They do have worldwide free shipping over $49. And they also do have a 99-day return and exchange, obviously, if you want to change it for something else or whatever the case may be. But this is what I picked and I'm in love with it. It's very cute. So on their page, it's like basically everything's more like personalized, so you can like change everything. It does say free shipping over $49 and 99-day return. And they do have a sale on for Mother's Day, even though it's gone, they still have it up. Like you can literally get bracelets, earrings, literally whatever you want. Like obviously you can change the names, or like if you have any kids or your boyfriend or girlfriend or like best friends or sisters, you can get like matching sets and stuff. Or if you're into like birthstones, I'm a Gemini, so mine's emerald. They have loads of really pretty stuff. But I obviously just got this one, and because I can like layer this with like other jewelry. Okay, so this is the first piece. Okay, that's the first piece, just a little 1999. I think it's so cute. Obviously you could layer that. I think if you had like other necklaces, it'd be pretty cool. I just think that's cute because it's more like personalized. I do have a discount code with obviously their sister brand as well. It is Nina's 20, so Nina with an S and then 20. I'll leave it on the screen. It's also the same discount code for the ITALO jewellery itself. It's the same discount code. So in the first box, if you've watched me do these before, I love how you get like the extra little bag. You get a little polishing cloth. Get a little white polishing cloth. You get all the certificates. It tells you how to look after them. You get the sterling silver certificate, obviously depending on what you buy. And then it comes in this little cute box. I'll just get out. But I love how you get it in the big box and then also the little box. So if you were to buy it for someone as a gift, it's like already wrapped. Do have a 4th anniversary sale right now. Free shipping and 60-day return also. And my discount code is the same on their website. So Nina's 20 to save money. Basically all their stuff is pretty gorgeous. Oh, that pink ring. Also 1-year warranty if anything goes wrong. So this was the first piece I got. Comes in this little box. I got a bracelet. Okay, so the first thing I got was this gold cuff, which it is personalized. I got it engraved, if you can see. It's in Roman numerals, so this is my birthday on here. Obviously if you have kids, you can put their date of birth. You can get names written on it, or maybe like an anniversary date, whatever you like. I just got my birthday because I don't have any children or anything, but if you do have any kids, you could get their date of birth on it. You could get like best mates, like you could get one each on the day is met or something. I don't know. I just got my birthday because I didn't know what else to put on it. I just like the gold cuff, but obviously you could get nothing on it, I don't think, if you didn't want to, but I just got Roman numerals as my birthday on it. I'm just into like gold chunky bracelets. Like you can just bend it in so it stays tight, so obviously it doesn't fall off. I'm actually in love with it. Sorry, my arms are like very pale. I like to mix metals. I'm into like silver and gold. I'm not really into rose gold. I don't know, I just prefer gold or silver, or like white gold obviously. But I do also like to mix metals, so I like mixing gold and silver. Some people don't, but I don't really mind. And then this is the next box. This one came with the same thing. You get a polishing cloth. And this one I got a little thank you card. I think if you spend a certain amount, I got a free pair of earrings, which I will show you here. They came in the little bag. If you spend a certain amount, I got a little free gift, so this is pretty cute. They are these little diamond earrings. Obviously sterling silver earrings. They are pretty if you're into like big diamond earrings. More into hoops, but I mean, if you're being more dressy, obviously these are really pretty. But yeah, that came in the box, so that was pretty cute. And then also you get all the certificates and everything, just so you know. So this one, I got two little things in here. Little box, I think is a ring I got. Now, this is gorgeous. This, I'm in love with this. Okay, so I'm just taking this out. It does have my little ring size on it. I got this in a 7.75 US. I kind of should have got this maybe one size a bit smaller because it's a bit big. It's okay because I'm going to wear it on my thumb. I chose to wear it on my thumb just because it's a little too big for my well, it does fit, but I mean it's a little bit big. So this is like a nail detail ring with diamonds on like the nail tip. I just think this is really similar to the Cartier ring. I just like the style of this ring, like the chunky nail effect. And if you're wondering, these rings are from ITALO jewellery also, and from my last haul. Just because obviously they're American sizing, so just make sure you measure your finger correctly, unlike me. But I'm going to wear it on my thumb anyway. I think it's pretty cool on my thumb. They're quite reasonably priced, I think, all the items, which is really good, and they always have a deal on. The next thing I got was this little bracelet, which is gorgeous. It's like a tennis bracelet. It's like gold and silver, which I think is like gorgeous. You know, I'm into like thick chunky gold jewelry, but also like the dainty cute stuff like this. And then this is the little clasp at the back. But yeah, I'm in love. Okay, wow, that is the little tennis bracelet, which is like gorgeous. I really want like an anklet version of this. I think it'd be really cute. The clasp is so easy to do. It's just like that. But yeah, these go gorgeous together. Obviously you can layer them up, but wow, I'm literally obsessed with them. They are gorgeous. So in the last box, this is the last box, and this is gorgeous. This is a little silver sterling cross. You might have seen me wear this one a few times on my Instagram. I've worn this a few times. It's just so gorgeous. This is gorgeous. It's just a silver necklace with a little silver chain. This is that chain. I wouldn't wear the two of these together, just I'm showing you for show purposes. But yeah, this is the silver chain. It's absolutely gorgeous. Obviously I wouldn't wear the two of these together. Obviously you can if you want. That was all the pieces I got. This is everything together. So the two necklaces. These are the two bracelets and the ring. Obviously you don't have to wear everything together. Obviously that one's personalized to me, so that's pretty cool. I've always wanted like a little tennis bracelet, so I'm in love with that. This ring speaks for itself. It's pretty funky. Thank you to ITALO Jewellery for working with me again, and also thank you for sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know what type of content you'd like from me now. I can obviously do a lot more content. I have my own space. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.